it's Hannah with WTI here with your next purse. This is by Cutie Kitty, and it is such a cute purse. I love the pattern on this. It is so cheery and happy. The colors in it really make it go with any outfit. It's now fall here, but the reds and yellows just look so nice with all of my fall outfits. And the beautiful flowers I'm excited to have with me all winter on those dreary days where I really want spring to be here. This is a really nice, high quality purse. You can tell a lot of love is made into the design of these. The material on the outside is a nice, smooth, silky material, and it's easy to wipe off to keep it clean. There's a nice zipper pocket on the outside, several little pockets on the inside, big enough to hold my little laptop. It also stands up on its own. It's not a super floppy purse, which I love when my purses can stand up on their own. So if you're looking for your next cheery purse to keep you happy all year long, I highly recommend this one. But that's just my point of view.